Hello and welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be looking at a Roberts R600. This came with a bunch of other radios as like a job lot, and I thought, well, let's try and fix a nightmare radio. I call it a nightmare radio because these have the Mullard modules in and they're well renowned for going wrong, and they're all a pain in the back end to get out because it's under the switch bank. And it's a nightmare. So let's open it up, stick a battery in it and see what the state of play is. Takes your standard PP9. Well, this one ain't standard, it's got some other batteries in. Let's have a look. This was part of a job lot. There's a few other radios in with it. That was purchased from Wootton Bassett. I didn't go to Wootton Bassett. I asked Cody's, could you put a bid in for me, and and I got a couple of ages out of it. Great. Anyway, battery in, let's have a look. This one will do medium wave, long wave VHF, which is your boring FM broadcast band. So let's have a listen and see what we get. We get a pop and nothing. Nothing on FM. Whoop.
Absolutely crammed full of these questions. Just all wrote to us because she suddenly developed a severe...
Got a bit on long wave, sorry for deafening you then.
Is the most successful brass sport male player of all time. With 8...
Medium wave is working, but that's the issue there. When I switch it off, it doesn't go off completely, it fades out. So yeah, this radio is a bit sick. Yeah, so it seems that FM's a bit intermittent. There's a station there, then it disappears off.
Degranulating.
And of course it goes pop quickly, so there's something wrong with the radio. So let's get it out its little chassis and see what is occurring. Okay, so we've got it out the chassis, and if it's that capacitor to there, capacitor 23,640 microfarads. And we had one of the problems with the Roberts, it's got wires absolutely everywhere, so I think it might be that one I need to start on soldering. So yep, so the soldering iron's warmed up, hoping it's going to be that one. So let's try and desolder that. Okay, so the 640 microfarad capacitor is out. There's a beggar to get out as well, so let's put it on the meter, see what it's going to be. So it should be 640, and place your bets now to see what it actually is. $480, so that has that's no good. Yep. So we can safely say that one is toast. Right, so that's the capacitor in. put it just there. I've just tapped it in, I've not cut the legs off just yet. So let's see if it's actually worked. So we'll start with VHF again. Let's actually put the antenna up a bit.
A good gift backfires. You buy a good gift, but it turns out to be quite thoughtless. 3103. Start your message with the word hit. When a good gift has backfired. 63.
Continues like this from JLS coming up.
It's about being quite information as well, and it's really people are really fascinating.
Sounding slightly better.
All of these groups that have been historically marginalised, and
That noise is just normal because medium wave, long wave is not brilliant.
The new iconic Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 is now available at Vodafone with us. I guess we shouldn't be surprised.
That's actually sounding a lot better. Is that going to be it for the Nightmare Radio? I'm not too sure. Let's leave it a bit and find out. Okay, so let's have another scan.
Just be part of something.
King Charles will visit Cardiff tomorrow, his first visit to Wales since he became the new monarch.
Growing throughout the day, reaching more than 4 miles long. The line of more
She will never be forgotten.
So FM it's still working, but you can see when the volume's right down low, it's still a bit of volume to it. I don't know what that could be, but
This is classic FM. Nothing's
Weather.
No one app.
well, it's picking up more stations on FM than it did, so
silent. British Airways will be the worst affected airline, and tens of thousands of airline passengers are being warned they'll face disruption tomorrow as air traffic controllers in France go on strike. Hundreds of flights.
nothing standard about that. Air traffic controllers in France on strike, but never mind. Yeah, that's medium-like.
Shortlist to replace Graham Potter.
And in the latest travel news, in Greater Manchester on the M60 top line. Traffic is still very congested.
I think, and I don't want to jinx it, it's pretty much done. I do want to check the other capacitors out, because usually if one's gone, the others might be going. After all, it's from the 1960 odd, so. But anyway, that is part 1 of the Nightmare Radio, and it's not a nightmare so far. And I suppose the good thing about doing this radio means I can, yeah, that's another R600. That was a scrapper, but I think I might try and save it, because I'm going to use this one as a reference. But anyway, that's it for this one. This is part 1 of the Nightmare R600, and stay tuned for the next one. Catch you next time.